Are you looking for a very quick and easy project? This crochet hat pom-pom is a very quick and easy project. Even if you've never made any crochet project before, this is a very fast project, and guess what? You can make it under 10 minutes. It's a quick project, an easy project, and very good for gifts. Welcome back to my tutorial, and this tutorial we'll be crocheting a pom-pom keychain in a heart shape. It's a very quick and easy project. Even as a beginner that never picked up heel before, this will be very easy project for you. And these are my items I'll be using. So I'll be using my scrap yarns. I'll be using these two colors. They are both 4-ply yarn and they're 100% acrylic. I'll be using my comb, my keychain, my scissors, my needle and yarn. I'm using a thinner yarn because I do not have the color of thread for this yarn, and I'll be using my heart shape I made from a carton. You can make it from a cardboard or you can get a pom-pom maker, but I just use this because I do not have a pom-pom maker, so I just use my pen, drew my heart shape and cut it out with scissors. So let's start. So first off, we'll be rolling up the yarns. We'll be rolling it up until we get the desired length or quantity we want. So I'll continue rolling up my yarn. So after rolling up to this level, I'm going to cut the yarn out and set it aside. Then I will move over to my other yarn and roll it also. So I'm done with rolling this one up too. I'm going to cut it out and use one of my yarn, so I can use this one and then arrange them. So after arranging them, I'm going to tie them. Really tight. Make sure it's really tight. So this is how it will look like. Then after tying it, I'm going to start using my scissors and start cutting it out on the edges here. So you make sure you cut it out all, and always be mindful to check it in. If there's anyone inside, then you cut it out, because we really need to cut out all. So always be checking, then you cut it. So be fond of checking it. And you cut the other color too. So always check if all is being cut in order for you to cut it all. Then move to the other color and start cutting it. So remember to check it also in order to cut any yarn that is not cut yet. So after using my scissors to cut it out, to cut the yarns, so this is how it's going to be looking like. So I'll be bringing out my cardboard, my love shaped, then I'll place it on it and use the scissors to cut it out. So be careful to hold it well so that it won't shift. Then I'll meet you. So after cutting it with my scissors, I'm going to gently comb it out, and we are still going to be cutting it again. So I'm going to gently comb it out. If you have a fluffy yarn, it will be very cool to use that one, because you won't have much stress using it than using this acrylic yarn. So I'm going to comb it out and then continue. So after slightly combing it, you can see how fluffy it's looking like. Yeah, we are not done yet, so we are going to still use our scissors to shaping it well. Yeah, because we've combed it and all the edges are looking rough already, so we need to like trim it to get that fine heart shape. This is a project that can be done within few minutes. It won't take much of your time if you're looking for a very cool gift to give your loved ones, your friends, your family. This is a very good idea. So let's continue trimming till we get that fine look. So you can see the shape now. We'll start to sew it now. So I've brought in my keychain, then we'll start sewing from inside. Then you're going to insert your needle in the keychain here. And insert it back in the heart. So you continue to do this till it's fit and okay. And there you have it, your pom-pom heart-shaped keychain. Yeah. So please comment below if you'll be trying this out. Kindly like this video if it helped, and share so it gets to others, and don't forget to click on that notification button in order to get notified of all new videos I'll be uploading.